Welcome back to Great Day, my friends. You may not think the holiday season is the ideal time for replacing your bad windows and doors. That said, Brian Price of Renewal by Andersen is here with an amazing Goodbye 2021 window and patio door event. Did I hit that right?
You sure did.
You don't want to miss this. The savings are so tremendous that you can replace your windows and doors without impacting your holiday spending, period. Brian's going to give us all the details in just a few moments. How are you, sir? Happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays to you, Matt. Doing wonderful.
Good. Let's start with the windows. You use this this proprietary composite material called Fibrex. It's not something you'll find in big box stores. Why is that?
Well, you know, if you go to a big box store and purchase a window, you're basically buying a window that you hope fits your house, and it's not custom made. It's not something that will be a perfect fit. That's where we really differentiate with our Fibrex material that we use. It's something that's completely exclusive to Renewal by Andersen. It's also something that we use our own certified master installers to do. That installation process is so important, and when you choose us, you get all of that combined.
I love it. Let's talk about the seasonality aspect of it, the way we kind of set this up. What are some of the advantages to replacing your windows and doors during these winter months?
Sure, I think a lot of folks don't really think about it right now.
Right.
We've got a lot going on with the holidays and everything, but this is actually one of the best times to do it because we can come out and do a full diagnosis on your windows and doors and really see the things that are happening with them. We can, see the leaks, we can see the drafts, we can make sure that we're, really getting a good inspection on your windows and make the best, the best solution possible for your home at
I love
that
it.
time.
Let's talk financing, which is top of mind for everybody this time of year especially. It's very important when it comes to doing home improvement projects right now in particular. Do you guys offer financing?
Yeah, actually, most people don't have a window and door savings account running around that they're ready to just write a check out of. So the vast majority of our customers take advantage of one of our affordable payment options.
Okay.
We've got a lot of low interest or even 0% options that we can do as a monthly installment, or, excuse me, we can stretch it out over a long period of time.
You guys also go above and beyond to make absolutely certain that this is a really positive experience for the homeowners. Tell us about some of the things you do.
Sure. So one of the things we've really modeled our business after is this idea of signature service. It starts with listening to the customers. A lot of companies will come in and try to scare you or show you things that, oh gosh, this is the worst thing in the world.
Yeah.
Really, we just want to hear from you what those problems are and maybe help identify what some of those issues are. And then we can go through the process of picking out what will work exactly for your home, and then have that great installation, as I mentioned before, to go along with that, with great service after the sale as well.
As it should be. So this month, the amazing Goodbye 2021 window and patio door event, and the savings are enormous. Tell us the details.
It's a huge special going on for the end of the year. The last couple of years, 2020, 2021, they've been kind of rough.
Yeah.
We're ready to say goodbye to it. We're ready to really look forward into 2022. So this is your best chance to get that 2021 pricing with saving 20% through the end of the year on every window and patio door. Plus, you get an additional $100 off every window and patio door. And also, you can put no money down, have no payment, and no interest for 2 full years, Matt. It's a heck of a deal for the end of the year.
That is going to help the holiday budget a lot. Brian, thank you very much.
Thanks,
we
man.
appreciate it. Once again, Renewal by Andersen's Goodbye 2021 window and patio door event ends on December 31st. 20% off all the windows, patio doors, and installation, plus an additional $100 off each window and patio door. And pay nothing until December 2023. Call 314-526-0303 or visit rbastl.com today to schedule your free appointment.
Gentlemen,